Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar. Again, Ed Sheeran here with a song called Collide. And yeah, something collides in my head here because this doesn't feel like the typical Ed Sheeran song here. But anyway, it's a great song and very easy to handle play. Only 4 chord here, guys, and we don't need any capo. And besides from that, 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. So pretty easy to handle these. So let's start with these chords here. First we have F, so you bar here the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's F. Now C, so 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is D minor, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E actually. That's the D minor, 1st E in the end. And the final chord will be A sharp. Sounds like that. You need to bar the 1st fret here from the A string and down, and that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on the B string. So there's your chord, guys, and it will be in this order through the entire song. F to C to D minor and to F, A sharp. Yeah. Now we need to look at the strumming pattern here. It will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So we'll divide this into 2 parts to get the idea and the full grip of this strumming pattern here. So the first part will be down, 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 up. We can look at F as a first chord. That is the first chord for this song here. So down, 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 up. Right? Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And the second part will be up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. Alright? So we try to connect these 2 parts. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And we can do it very slow here and speed up gradually, and it will sound like this. That's the strumming there. And you know, it's not that much more to learn from this song here. The only kind of detail here from this song is that on some chords here, and I believe it's always on the A sharp, and I believe it's on 3 different places here. Oh, actually 4 different places. I have it played only for 1 round. Otherwise, you will play 2 rounds of this strumming for each chord. So it will be 2 rounds of F, 2 rounds of C, 2 rounds of D minor, and 2 rounds of the A sharp. But on 4 different places here, you will play only 1 round of this A sharp. And I can tell you, I can guide you through this song here. And it's in the last round of the pre-chorus. That means when you have played 3 full rounds on the last chord here, there will be this A sharp here. There you're only gonna play 1 round and make a break there. And that's the last round just before the chorus. And that is right before the chorus starts. the first one, and the lyrics when you and I collide. So the A sharp right before that one will be played only one round of the strumming. And then we go on here and play the chorus. And on the second round in the chorus, you bring me to life. When you play life, you only play one round there as well for this A sharp plus the pause. And then we move on here. And on the next pre-chorus again, so that will be in the same spot as the previous there. Right before the next chorus, you will play only one round of the A sharp. And even in the last round here, just before the outro, the last round in the bridge part, where it sings universe collide, at that spot there, collide, you will play only one round of this A sharp. So I don't have any timestamps for this. It's just details. I don't believe that it's that important. So it's just for you to know. And if you want to play full strumming round there, no problems. Just go, and there's space and time to play full strumming rounds for all these chords there. So it's just optional. The only part to mention that differs a bit from other parts is the last outro part, the last round of F, C, D minor and A sharp. There you will play one downstroke for each chord only and play it pretty slow. So like this. C, D minor and end on the A sharp there. So that pretty much covers this song from Ed Sheeran. A bit unusual song here from him. It's not that it's his kind of DNA in this one, but nevertheless a great song from Ed Sheeran called Collide. So good luck with this one and see you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get latest uploads here from us here on Gordon Guitar. And that means new stuff like this, but also some goodies from the 70s till present time. So yeah, see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.